If you are wondering if Redmi A7 Pro has ads, then the answer is unfortunately yes. Many pre-installed Xiaomi apps that we can find on our Redmi A7 Pro, these apps do indeed contain ads. The solution is that in some cases you can disable those ads, and in some cases it is not possible to actually remove them. So instead, the best way to not see these ads is to just completely avoid these apps completely and use other alternatives instead. For example, instead of using the file manager provided by Xiaomi, you can use the Files app by Google. Downloads is pretty useless in my opinion, so it's just better to use Files app, and over there we have the Downloads category as well. Instead of using the Music app that we have in here, this one over here, you can just try to use something like Spotify. Maybe you can just use also the Files app if you have music on your phone storage, and so on and so forth. So the best practice is to either try to disable them or to avoid using these apps completely. Now, if you're looking for a way to disable these ads, then I actually made a tutorial on how to do so. So be sure to check out the video that is right now displayed. Leave a like and subscribe.